Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use curtain grid. Basically, curtain grid is generally used for glass design. When create the glass design and show the different cut part on the glass, so use for curtain grid. So curtain grid uh, is create the glass wall, then outer use for curtain grid. So let's start right now. First of all, when get select this wall here, this one is wall. There are the many different types of wall available: architecture, structural, face wall. But I get wall. This is the There are the many different types of wall available. Here generally use wall. This called basic wall. They are the normally used from this type of wall. Then also use for curtain wall, generally used for glass design on the home in the home. So use for this is the curtain wall, exterior glazing, stone front, and this scaled wall जो है, this one is a scaled wall, stacked wall. So I get the curtain wall. First of all, this like curtain wall I get use and may use from top plane, and I have make this line here. When I get create the line is 5000, then has been completed 5000, then after turn out and 10,000, and again also I get turn, and also again become 5000, then get 10,000. It is complete the wall here. When I go to 3D view, so here you can see that this is called 3D view. When if you use from this one and turn out, when this is default, here the like glass type of use from, this is glass type. If you look this wire frame, so look at this wire frame. If you use another thing hidden type, so like that hidden, and generally use shaded. If I want, click this every glass wall and select here, and we want to reduce the distance in 4000. It is become convert the 4000. When how to use the grid, so let's go for architecture, and this is the curtain grid. When apply the curtain grid, like this is called, if you select this wall in vertical, so get it cut part in vertical here continuously. If you change the distance, so easily change, they are not matter in change the distance. If you click this here, you can see that, and if you get change, so same thing I have create the opposite side and opposite direction, like their position I have get create, and also get create this here. So it is continuously from make this one, and also get here, and I also make this here and get. and I will show you the particular cross cut in this structure like that. So here this side I have go to create right now and continuously look at this. This is the grass type wall in grid design. If I want get change this distance, so anywhere I get change here, this one I get change 1500. So when I get 1200, and also I provide the 2500. Let's again see you 2000. So it is properly adjustable in every glass cave right now. Same thing, I get adjustment here 2000, and same thing also adjustment in 1500. So it's like easily editable and look like the glass frame in the any house. So this is the glass wall basically, and used for curtain grid in particular wall here. If you change the anything when I get like the door, so means create the particular door here. Again I will show you how to use the curtain from single wall. So let's get start the single wall in his here. Single wall, and also select this type of wall selection basically, right? So this one I have go to create one wall and has been create this one. So this is already have curtain used from particular two size, but if you want get change the curtain grid, so when apply the curtain grid, and here we will according to our need use for curtain grid here. Look at this, and also I will go to show you another curtain grid stone font. When get start from here, and let's use this is directly has been created right now. It's many